Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Precious Metal Summit 2017 here in Zurich, and Commodity-TV is here for you to look for updates from good companies. And we have Aurcana Corporation here with Kevin Grover, the CEO of the company, who wants to give us an update, of course. We spoke last year. Welcome.
Yes, indeed. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, Kevin, thanks for taking the time. And I think a lot of things happened in the last, let's call it 15 months with the company.
Yeah.
Maybe we can start with some good developments here.
Yeah, I just give a little bit of a brief update on since we talked last. I think we put out a new PEA. We're in the process right now of updating that PEA with a new mine plan to support it, and the intention being is to get our costs lower. So that we can, maintain or have a larger margin if and when we decide to pull the trigger on going back into production, kind of thing.
What is the cost so far in the old PEA now? Because it's
the cost per ounce we're talking about.
Yeah,
it's about $8 an ounce, which is very well. But of course, you have to take in all sustaining costs and the pre-production capital and all of those kinds of things. And under this current PEA, it's a little bit too high, given where the silver price is today. We did our PEA at $20, and of course, as it stands right now, it's not $20, it's $17. So we need, I have no control of the silver price, so we're trying to get our costs under control to get them lower, basically. So we'd be in a position where we could possibly make a production decision. Yeah.
Super. Can you say when approximately, let's say, when the timeline is you have the updated PEA?
Well, we're hoping to have the updated PEA in November. We had hoped to have it sooner than this, but we're doing a number of different iterations to try and get the best combination. But we're hoping to have that out into the public domain in November this year.
So within the next 3-4 weeks?
Exactly.
Fantastic. Yeah. Wow, that's a big step for the company.
It is. It's a big step indeed.
Super. But I think you did this year also some good drilling.
Yes, we raised. Yes, we did. We raised some money in February this year, and we took a portion of that money and we decided to do a drill program. We were following up on some historic gold showings, and in the shaft or deposit itself that we have, there's no byproduct credits. There's no gold, there's no lead, zinc, or anything like that. Pure silver. But one of the historic holes had a good gold showing, so we twinned that hole. And we, in fact, even did much better than what was originally done. We came out with about 15.5 ounces per ton over some 18 feet, and 0.28 ounces per ton of gold over 2.1 feet, which is a very nice. And then we drilled another hole about 400 to 500 feet away from that one. Hit similar values, lower values, but similar values. So it looks like we have a new structure. That could possibly be a new discovery. We don't know. It's early days. But we're going to be following up on that soon as we sort of get our head around what it is that we've got there and where we could best position additional drill holes. So we're looking forward to doing that early in the new year.
Perfect. What does the resource look like today?
The resource is about 18 million ounces today at a 5 ounce per ton cutoff grade. Of course, if the silver price went up, you could lower your cutoff grade and you'd
get more.
Of course.
Yeah. Super. What is now money in the bank, and how long will it last?
We have about 1.2 million US dollars in the bank, so we're in pretty good shape. Our burn rate is about $100,000 a month, but some of our investors will know that we have an income of about $40,000 a month from. We manage another mine for Orion Mine Finance. Perfect. So we have, Aurcana has an income of $40,000 a month. So the net is about $60,000 a month.
So that's still call it 20 months to go.
Exactly. Yeah. So we're okay for the moment. That's if we do nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
But of course, we don't want to sit around and just burn cash. So we're looking to find a way to get ourselves back into production, into cash flow, follow up with our drilling program with the new gold anomalies that we've got. And of course, we're also looking for opportunities to add something to the company, possibly another producing mine or something like that.
So maybe we can expect 2018 the production decision for yes or no?
That is certainly my hope, is that early 2013 we'd be in a position to make that decision. And,
and when you have done let's assume you have done the production decision, what is the time frame then to go in production?
It's very
quick. How much
quick.
will it cost?
It's very quick, and we're looking at about $15 million under the current PEA that we have. As a matter of fact, the number is 13 million, but you know, we would probably want to do 15 million.
Always better to stay on the conservative side.
Exactly, yeah. And you know, we're looking for a 6 to 7 month window to get to production. Fast. So it's a very quick production timeline. We're fully permitted. The plant is constructed. It's there. You don't have any construction risk. You don't have any environmental risk in permitting. You don't have any metallurgical risk. There's 8,000 feet of underground development done. We've inspected the underground. We've inspected the milling facility. It's in good shape. So we anticipate a rather smooth process to get back to production again once we make that decision. But super. Again, just to reiterate, you know, the Shafter mine is very leveraged to the price of silver. So. That is the name of the game. The higher the silver price, the better off we all are.
Absolutely. You're so right. Even when you hold it physically.
Yeah.
No, perfect. That sounds like a good game plan, and we wish you all the best for 2018.
Well, thanks you very much.
And,
thanks for having me.
Look forward then for your production decision, hopefully positive.
Excellent.
Because the world needs silver.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there was Aurcana Corporation, Kevin Drover, the CEO of the company. And you heard it, the company did the PEA. Now they are updating currently, and they seek for production decision next year. And if it will be a yes, 6 to 7 months they can be in production, low capex. So check out the company. Thanks for watching us. Bye bye from Zurich.